guys, I'm Louis from Guangzhou Yeyan Technology Company. Over years, we integrate design, develop, manufacture, and sales on providing high-quality lighting products for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, such as LED headlights, floodlights, and brake lights, etc. Brand of NovSight is patented internationally by Yeyan Company, who dedicate to become the market leader in lighting market by offering self-designed lighting products in the purpose of solving customers' pain points, fulfilling customers' demands, and offering better safety lighting service. The core idea of Yeyan technology is to break the routines and be creative. In the meanwhile, Yeyan Company has several innovation patents, appearance patents, and utility model patents. Over years, Yeyan has been partnering with world top suppliers such as Osram, Philips, Cree, Samsung, and Solid Semiconductor in order to cover clients from all over the world. Alright, no more fancy words. Seeing is believing. Let's go. After designing process, our strong R&D team will do dozens and hundreds of product tests and adjustments until they can truly satisfy customer-specific requirements, such as the structure of product's heat dissipation, the position of light source design, the angle of the light shape, the requirements of brightness, the materials used for the products, etc. We scrape dozens of molds for a single product. What we are pursuing is that kind of rigorous, meticulous craftsmanship. That's why we never shift with the current. So, to guarantee a better customer experience, we establish a well-trained sales team in Guangzhou, China. Our first priority is to continuously offer better quality products and services. And of course, we're willing to conduct extensive cooperation with domestic and overseas partners to create a healthy and long-term relationship. There are currently 15 production assembling lines with more than 200 operators. Each station has strict operating requirements and liability systems to make sure every product has reached our highest standard. So, all the NovSight products, such as this one, are born in here.
Okay, after production and assembling processes, our quality control department will take product samples to go through rigorous aging test before it can be packaged and delivered. Please follow me. It generally takes 4 hours minimum aging time. Some of them need 8 hours, 24 hours, and for some specific products, it will take 40 hours to complete the aging test.
So Yeyan's warehouse currently covers a total area of 6,000 square meters. With the increasing market demand, the warehouse will be continuously expanded globally in the future. So, here's the place we package and plan delivery process. All our products will be sent out from here to the rest of the world. So, we make sure every Yeyan product is well designed and quality guaranteed, with satisfying customer service. What I believe is, technology disperses darkness, innovation illuminates the road ahead. Thanks for watching.